Alright, I got this part oiled. See how nice and spins real nice? Look at that. That's how you want a synchronous motor to spin. Which is nice, is they allow you to really repair these really easily. Here, let me get this thing spinning real good for you guys. Alright. See how good that spins, huh? That's how you want your synchronous motor to spin. Now, the other ends are going to be a little easier to work with because they're already nice and free. See what I mean? So, really, that's the big part, to get these synchronous motors working again. If you get in a case with a one that you that isn't completely enclosed, what you do is you just put a little bit of heat to it, and then right where the gear is, you put some like something like this stuff right here, this liquid wrench, light machine oil, into it, kind of dissolve it, get it to do its thing again, and then it would work again. Those ones are more common in the 40s. This one's more the 30s because it has that design to it. Okay, so that part's good. Let's put the rest of it out here. The some of that there, that there, there, there. Just kind of bathe it. Don't worry about it. Just bathe it. As long as it's gonna move for you, you're good for it. Now it should really spin for you once you get it to do what you want it to do. In some cases, your machine's going to need to be really looked at, but in this kind of application, you're you got the this little thing right here. There's not much parts to these things, if you're wondering. Not any parts to them. Alright, that should be great enough. Let's put the cap back on. Okay. I really gotta keep guys from getting the darkness there. That's why I'm doing kind of editing. Alright, so it should be nice and good now. See how it spins nicely for you? I bet you if I grab the front here, yeah, see how it spins nice in the front? That's how you want your, that's how you want it to spin. You want it to be really nice and loose and working. See? You want it nice and loose so that it spins like that. Right. I believe, like up here, it's kind of like your start for your timer, but I'm not too certain. It's an automatic, so yeah. Let me put you guys somewhere so you guys can see what I'm doing. Here we go. This will do it. You guys can see what I'm doing, right? Alright, so this is good. This is good. Okay. I'll put the motor back in place. Not that. It's pretty easy just because it's a magnet. See? Just make sure it's spinning. Okay. Spins for you. What you want to do is you want to get this gear to mesh with that plastic bakelite in there. The other ones in there, they look like looks like some sort of piece that fell out. Not sure what's going on in there. Some sort of lock washer. Doesn't look like it's going to inhibit anything. Slide that in gently. We'll ring this up. So make sure it's connected. Okay, now I'm going to need my screws, which you guys are going to have to get blacked out on here for a second so I can get to them. Okay. So, in the big ass pile of screws. You have this here, which I'm probably going to be able to get data off of if I'm easy to read it. Okay, the second hand, electrical parts there, this, and piece here. There's one of the screws. One of the screws here. Go. There should be a third. Okay. Let's push the third. Okay, there's your third. Right there. One works, dry lights. Alright. Slide that all in there. Make sure everything you have is in there, because some of these parts are freaking tiny. Make sure in there, yeah, I still got some in there. Okay, good. Okay, but, alright. So let's get the motor in there. Bring that there. Okay. Bring the third in there. Okay. That's good. Okay, let's tighten these up using the big one. Okay, get you guys right here. No, wait, actually, right here. That's better. Put you guys there. Zip that one up. Get that one in there. That there. There we go. Let's test it. Make sure it works. Good. See, it's working. That's how you want it to do. Now it's gonna work for you. See, it's supposed to spin relatively like that. Now, if I were to go plug it in, it will turn over. Good. Alright, good. I'll pause the video so I can get the electrical done and whatnot. And show you the rest. Alright, I've completed the wiring harness. Actually, I'm going to go get the light on so you guys can see better, so I can also see better too. Okay. Wiring harness. You see, I ended up doing a little bit work there. It was a bit of a pain in the arse. I was working for about 2 hours, what it felt like. Right. Set you guys down again. Actually, never mind. I'm gonna do a part 3. Alright. See you there.